What's going on, everybody? It's the Plant Guys. I'm Ty.
I'm Tyler.
Are you serious? Are you
I
serious?
just said the wrong name, bro.
You go.
Alright, restart. Let's go.
Are we serious?
Cut.
Okay.
That's a blooper for sure.
What's going on, everybody? It's the Plant Guys. I'm Ty.
I'm James.
I'm Ryder.
And today we are making 3 planters with 3 plants in them. They might be in separate videos, but just know that we made all these together. So, first things first.
Fertilizer.
And just so you guys know, for all of these, we don't actually sell these orange pots. This is just what we use for the pictures, the photography. So all of these have 2 plants in them, but we don't actually sell them, but we do sell what's in them individually. So yeah. Yep. All right. Let's pack these in here, Ryder. You go give her.
Alright, I'll go first. I got a Begonia Solenia light pink. It's gonna go in here. I got 2. Take out some dirt. Oh my goodness.
Italian brain rot. No.
Boom.
Give her.
All right, so here I got a pink Bella Fuchsia. There's 2 of them in there as well.
All right. And lastly, I have a Estrella Magenta Verbena. Very nice.
This planter's more of a shade planter, but plants going in. The other ones might not be.
All right. There's number 1.
Cut. You know,
I feel like this. All right, and for the second one of our triple 3 planters, we are doing the same thing with different plants.
Yep.
So, first things first.
Water the dirt.
This would be very awkward if she didn't put them all together. For the Plant Guys, by the way, just in case.
Fertilizer.
Fertilizer.
Yep.
All right. I have a petunia. Where's it?
It's purple and green.
It's purple and yellow,
What's that one
greenish.
called?
I don't know.
Something.
Don't have the tag, so just going in first.
Petunia Ray?
Possibly.
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 We lost the tag.
We lost it.
Next, we have a spicy electric white bidden. Just like that. Very pretty plant.
This is more of a sun planter, this one.
Our last
Compared
one
to
was
last one.
very shade.
And after he gets that bitten in, I have a Lombard Street Coleus. Some foliage. Alright. Numero 2 done.
All right, number 2 is done. Thank you very much.
Hello again.
Hello again. This is our 3rd and final planter.
So again, we're gonna water it down.
First things first. Be awkward if the mics weren't on.
Shit. Then fertilizer.
Fertilizer.
Plants. Alright, I'll go first. I got the tuberous begonia non-stop white. Our white non-stop begonia.
Then we're going in with the little Dazzler
Daisha.
Daisha. Yep. Pretty little pink plant. Put that right there.
Yep. Now this is a part sun, part shade planter. You know, this one's going to be good for all around because begonia is more shade, while, well, I guess they're all part sun, part shade plants. Coleus.
Coleus.
You losing the tag again, bro?
It's just a Coleus. I don't even know if this one's got a name.
It's a red and green.
It's right in front of you, Ryder.
No, that's the other one.
There wasn't a tag in this one.
Oh, it's a Coleus.
It's a Coleus. You guys know about the Coleuses. All right, well, that's the third one.
Very important step.
Water it down. We did the other two off camera. Just in case she's watching this, we're killing time. Happy birthday, Kendra.
Happy birthday, Kendra.
Happy birthday,
Everyone say
Kendra.
happy birthday, Kendra. In the comment section.
Number 3.
Number 3. Let us know which way you do 3.
Okay.
All right, we're the plant guys. Thank you for watching. Have a good evening, good afternoon, good morning, whatever time it is for you right now. And we'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much.